Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Tanzit from Doplac.com, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can integrate your LinkedIn account with Doplac.com to automate your LinkedIn activity, increase your LinkedIn engagement, collect a biddable lead from LinkedIn, and nurture your lead. Now you can do everything using Doplac.com, but first you have to integrate your LinkedIn account to Doplac.com. At the very beginning, you have to make sure that both of your LinkedIn and Doplac account are signed in at the same browser. So when you are at the same browser, go to your LinkedIn and go to your Doplac.com account, click on Outreach, click on Accounts, and here it is. Already one of my LinkedIn account is connected to my Doplac.com account, so it's showing here. To connect more account, I'm going to click on Add More Account, and here it is. I have some instruction how I can connect my LinkedIn to my Doplac.com account, but forget about it actually. I think watching a video is much more easier than reading some instruction. So you can click on this extension here to directly download our extension, or you can search on Google by actually Doplac Chrome extension, whatever you are comfortable with. I'm going to search on Google, click on the very first result, and here it is. You just have to install our Chrome extension on your browser. And as my extension is already installed, so I'm going back to my LinkedIn account. Click on the extension, and here it is. It's showing these two accounts actually gonna connect to each other. It's actually showing my LinkedIn account and my Doplac.com account. Just I have to click on connect those accounts button to actually connect my LinkedIn and Doplac.com account. So I'm going to click on connect those account. Yes, it's done. My LinkedIn integration is completed. Now I'm going back to my Doplac.com account, giving it a refresh, and here it is. Look at that, my account is connected to my Doplac.com account. Now I can actually create LinkedIn outreach campaign using Doplac.com, but I have to actually collect lead first to make sure that the lead actually I'm providing have LinkedIn account. So you can also collect lead using our extension. If you want to collect lead, you have to go back to your LinkedIn.com account, and then you can search whatever lead actually you are actually looking for or you want to collect. I'm going to collect actually some founder leads. I can click on founder. I'm going to search founder people. You can choose whatever filter actually you want. I'm going to choose some basic filters. And here it is, my leads are ready. I'm going to click on my extension, and look at that. Look at that. I just have to click on all select, and here it is. I have to choose a list to actually collect those leads. But here's one thing: you can't create a new list here. So you first have to create a list back in your Doplac.com account. So as I have some list here, so I'm going to choose one of them. And it is, then save it. All those leads actually will be saved to the list I have chosen. So is that simple? Now you can actually create, you can connect this way. You can connect your LinkedIn to your Doplac.com account, and you can collect B2B lead from Doplac LinkedIn using Doplac.com Chrome extension. So is that simple? In the next video, we will be showing how you can actually create a LinkedIn outreach campaign, or how you can actually nurture your lead using Doplac.com LinkedIn outreach campaign. And there's one important thing is that Doplac.com is completely free until June 1st, 2024. It is a CRM completely designed for digital agencies. So don't forget to take this opportunity to check out how Doplac can help to increase your and blow your agency. How Doplac can help you to blow your agency. So don't forget to check out Doplac.com, all the features until June 1st, 2024. It's completely free. So it's all for today. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any question or any feedback about connecting LinkedIn to your Doplac.com account or any other things about Doplac.com, leave them in the comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button for more informative video from Doplac.com.